Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see exercise 5.3 Cbse class 10th max arithmetic progression lesson 7th sum, right? Last class we have seen up to 6th sum, right? That has been posted. So kindly watch those videos and come back to this video in order to have a continuity of this lesson, right? So we'll get into the question. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which common difference D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So as I usually do, first write the given of this question. A22 is given as 149. They are asking as 22, right? Okay. So first with the formula AN we can find the value of the unknown terms, that is A plus N minus 1 into D, where we don't know the value of A. So that is equal to 149 by the question. N value is 22. So 22 minus 1 is 21. Cross 7 equals this 149 value. So the value of A is 2. This is general max, so kindly work it out. Okay. Now they are asking find the sum of first 22 terms, right? Okay, fine. Yes, 22 equals by the formula which we seen in the last classes, A plus A of n, that is equal to 2 and 149 by 2. So this gives you 11 into 151, that is equal to 1661 is the sum of 22 terms of this AP sequence, right? So such an easy sum only when you know the formula of this given problem, right? So this is enough. Yes. We'll see the 8th question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Okay, they are asking us to find 51. So they have given A2 to be 14 and A3 to be 18. Okay, they are asking us 51. So this is equal to A plus D. This is equal to A plus 2D is general term, right? So A plus D gives you 14. Yes, I'm not wrong, right? Yes. And A plus 2D gives you 18. This also I'm right. Yeah. The value of D is 4. When you substitute it, you get the value of A to be 10. Right? These are simple maths. Hope you guys understand. Now, by applying the formula of Sn, that is n by 2. So 51 by 2 into 2 cross 10 is 20 plus n minus 1. 50 minus 1 is, 51 minus 1 is 50 into D value is 4. So 200. So when you simplify, you get 5610 as the Sn value. So why I am not writing each and every step is because such a basic problem where these steps are not needed, because your guys are somewhat far better than just solving like these kind of LKG kids, right? So I hope you guys understand. Now we'll see the next question. Ninth one. Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. Find Sn value is what the question is all about. Okay, so Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know the value of n over here, but we need to find the value of a and d with respect to S7 and S17. Okay, find the value of S7 at first. S7 is nothing but 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. Similarly, that is equal to 49. Given when this goes there, it becomes 14, right? 7 by 2 goes there, it becomes 2 by 7. So 14. 2a plus 6d gives you 14. Keep it as equation 1. Similarly, yes, 17 is 289. 17 by 2 into the same 2a plus 6d gives you 289 is what the question. Again, this goes there, and in division it comes 2a plus 6d is equal to around 34, I suppose. Yes, right. Yeah, 34. So a plus 3d. Yes. Okay, fine. So 2a plus is 17. Okay, fine. Yes. So comes as 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. 2a plus 6d, right? So a plus 3d is equal to 7. Similarly, 2a plus 16d, right? So a plus 8d, 34 will become 17. Now when you simplify, we get this to be minus 5d equals minus 10. Therefore, the value of d to be 2 and the value of a to be 1 when you substitute in the equation, right? Okay, value of a we got, value of d we got. Now we need to find the value of Sn, right? So again, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know the value of n over here. So n by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus n minus 1 into the value of d to be 2. So when you simplify this, you get the value of n square. That is the Sn value that has been asked in the question, right? Yes, find the sum of first n term. We got the sum of first n terms to be n square, where the n value changes with respect to the sum. So say for example, if it comes as S6, it comes as to be 6 square. Similarly, it goes on, right? So that is what they are asked us to find over here. So S7 means 7 square, so 49. S17 means 17 square, 289. Similarly, it goes on for any number of values for S6 or S5 or whatever it may be. It goes like n square. So Sn will be equal to n square. So this is what they have asked generally in this 9th question of your exercise, right? So in the next video, we'll see the 10th one and the upcoming questions that is present in this exercise 5.3, right? So kindly do subscribe my channel in order to get more videos, right? Thank you guys.